Hi, it's Mike DelSignore. I'm outside the Lawrence District Court. What happens if you're charged with a domestic assault and battery? The case will be heard in this court. Well, I want you to know that keep in mind these cases just don't get dismissed if the victim doesn't want to go forward. Often that's the case. I get a lot of calls where they'll say, I got charged with domestic, my wife, my girlfriend. She tried to tell the police, don't arrest me. That's common. That's most of these cases. So what happens is when you go to court, the DA is not going to dismiss the case, even if the person's there saying, don't charge you. They'll try to prove the case without the cooperation of the victim through either your admissions, through 911 call, or through other independent evidence. So these cases just don't quickly get resolved. If you're charged with domestic assault and battery, feel free to contact me. My name is Mike DelSignore. I represent people with these cases all the time. Sometimes the 911 call is inadmissible in court, so you need to know whether it could come in or whether it won't come in. But for years I've been handling these cases, and it's one of the things we commonly represent people for is these domestic assault and battery charges. Typically, if you have no record, the court will release you on your promise to appear. A lot of times we'll have to put the case down for trial, and if at trial then the victim doesn't want to go forward, then if the government doesn't have independent evidence, the case will get dismissed. It's just not a quick process, so if you're not a citizen too, it's important you don't admit to these charges. So make sure you get a lawyer for this. You definitely need an attorney to handle a domestic assault and battery. It's a very serious charge. Potential punishments could include jail time. Certainly if it's strangulation, that's even more serious, where you could be looking at being held without bail. So contact me if you have questions, 781-686-5924. It's never too early, too late to call. I'm here to help. You can text as well at that number, and feel free to call on weekends.